Alright fellas, we got done here. Reinforcement. We got some plates came across. Welding. We're gonna use that next week. This bucket. And the hammer is about that will be pretty much that. And we got the other one over there. This one is a solid one from Cat. This one is original from Cat. This is a heavy duty one.